For us, we've been on a quest to help as many humans as possible change your mental state on demand without drugs or side effects. So we've taken 33 years of very advanced, clinically proven, patented neuroscience and put it into a mobile app. Why? Because humans are amazingly complex and amazingly gifted, but we find that humans also will find excuses not to take care of themselves. So if there's more than one or two steps, the adoption diminishes. So it's literally a mobile app and a headphone. It doesn't get much easier than that. We can't really get much easier than that. For rescue, power nap and flow state, you also have an eye mask. It's a very immersive experience. You could liken it to deep meditation, but you're lying in a bed, you're really comfortable. You'll notice your mind wander, you'll notice your body feel heavy, and most importantly, your respiration slows down to one breath every 10 seconds, which is the ultimate diaphragmatic breathing for a human being, because the healing element for humans is oxygen. So we have a biosignal processing disc, and we have a NuCalm cream. This is the biochemistry element of the clinical grade of NuCalm. The biosignal processing discs in the cream contain high amounts of GABA A and GABA B, gamma aminobutyric acid. This is the key amino acid that offsets adrenaline, catecholamines, and cortisol. So the body is a perfectly architected system. It's a closed loop ecosystem and has balance. Without GABA in your body, you would die. It's a pretty important amino acid. For sleep, you need melatonin, serotonin, and GABA. So in a clinical environment when we need a rapid descension into relaxation, we need you to relax very quickly. We need you to stay relaxed for a sustained amount of time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. The longest surgery we've done is 9.5 hours. And then when you get up, we need you to return to full lucidity with no side effects immediately. Think about that challenge. That's a big challenge. That is the core of what we've done. When we launched this in 2009 till now, we've done over 2 million surgical procedures. Fast-acting relaxation response, sustained for the duration of the surgical procedure, and fast return to lucidity. So you can buy the NuCalm biosignal processing disc or the cream in our store to make your rescue, power nap, or flow state experience more immersive and more expedited recovery without drugs.